Alrighty. So the idea is to put together a funnel pretty quickly. I don't even have all the text or everything that I want, but I'm gonna be copying some stuff from this other site because the funnel that I'm building is similar. It's for a product. It's for a similar product. Let me see. So the plan is sales page, and then I think I'll keep it simple. Sales page with an order form on it, either on that page or or a pop-up. Probably gonna do just a regular, put the order form on that page just to keep it simple. And then a thank you page. Do I need to do an upsell? Trying to think. Yeah, yeah. Let me do an upsell. Okay, so I'll upsell into my paid group, right? Yeah, let's upsell into the paid group. And yeah, okay. So sales page, upsell page, and then thank you. So 3 pages. Here we go. I'm going to share my screen. Do I need to share everything? I think I can share just this screen for now. Oh, and hopefully it won't take me too long. I'm kind of I'm doing this on the fly right now. Let's see. So this is a template that I got. And in Biz Greenhouse, there's tons and tons of templates. So the system the system that I'm selling, well, is Biz Greenhouse, but it is the I'm selling just like the social media piece. So we'll see how this goes. We'll see how this goes. Do I want this up here? Um, sure, why not? Although my logo. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. I don't normally put my logo on top of funnels, but I think that one is that one. Uh, let's see, there's another one. Let's get the image. And that's the vertical one. There's another one I have that is horizontal, which would need a white background, or if I use it. So let's go with this one. And the background, let's put a background in it. Yep. Okay, let's do that. And it is very large. Need some alt. This is my logo. And I'll make the height like 25. See what that looks like. Okay. All right, we'll go with it. This is pretty much just linear, because this is a funnel. We don't want other links in here. Um, these templates are used for both funnels and websites, and I don't think I want to put my logo on there either. Actually, let me go back. Let's put that back. We'll take out the buttons, but we'll keep the column. So yeah, I want to keep the column. And basically, why I'm looking at the footer is because I'm weird like that, I guess. All right, so this is just the copyright statement, copyright, which will probably need to be in a different color. Let's see, so we're doing, we need the year. So the year stays current. And let's put in my actual company name. Standard text. And no, I don't need the image. All right, so we're taking that out. That in the center. The background color is, and of course, this text color is gonna be this one. Okay, so that's that. Now see, I like this dark background for this. Automate your daily content, your daily social media. Free up your time for more important tasks. Um, Let us take care of your schedule so you can focus on growing your business. I like that. I really don't see any reason to change it. Although I would like a different background color. What color that is. Gray is such a boring color. That is terrible. I can go with that. And then let's make the text color. Why it's not showing up? It's because why this is bold. Is this in the font? It should be my font, which it is not. And I'm forgetting my font. It's Playfair. Yeah. This color font can maybe be that one. Or this one, and this one, black. There we go. Um, yeah, I would not have a no thanks on the very first page. And this one is opening up next step. No, we want to keep it on this page. We're gonna go to an element on this page. Once I create it, um, I love this image actually. All right, so here's the deal. Now we got to put in some like actual content in here. So, um, social media bliss. uh, Social media bliss. That. Yeah, scheduling tool that and then some. Let's see. I think I have to put in some. I need to put in a. I'm just grabbing some text in here. A simple, easy to learn. Yeah, that helps. I'm tailoring this to coaches. That helps coaches, consultants, um, and their teams. I don't know why I always want to put a comma everywhere. Schedule, publish, and automate content daily. And my button says giant free. I'm making it 7 days. 7 days. Try free for 7 days. Let's see. Um, after the trial. And of course, this button needs to be a different color. There we go. Now, if that don't stand out, I don't know what will. Um, I want this button to be bigger, but not like all the way across the page. So let's put some padding in it. I'll do 80 on one side, 80 on the other. Clearly, say that looks weird. And give it some motion. Let's do animations. We'll do the whole rocking back and forth. All right, so we have that part now. Fine, we'll put in a row and we'll do up a second. Let's put in another row. And this row has just the one column to start with. All right, so my headline says, of course, we can't see it because of that color, it's black. Um, and I do have a list of platforms. So we've got, uh, actually, you know what? The social media icons thing gives me all the icons I need. So, yeah, why don't I just do that instead of all these columns? Let's let the system do what the system do. Right, right. And um, yeah, let me do another. Okay, so yeah, it is pushing it down. All right, so do I want to? All right, so we've got Facebook, Instagram, X. Nope, we don't have that anymore. TikTok, LinkedIn. We do have Pinterest. Do have Pinterest. Alrighty. And the others. And we do have Google. Not Google Plus necessarily, but Google My Business. And so, yeah, let's get the Google icon. And these links are not going to go anywhere. And I'm going to put a background on the row. Let's do supported platforms. I am going to copy this text right here, bring that down here. Let's see. We have the most list up. Oh, data sources and networks. Uh, we work. No. Let's go to, not there. I want to go to, it is, what? And let's go here. Okay. All right. Yeah, because clearly that text I was using, not great. Comprehensive list of platforms to I before E except after C, right? And I feel like these buttons should be bigger. Um, let's do 60. I wonder if I can um, kind of space them out a little bit more. Size, font, family, yada, yada, yada. Okay, there's nothing that says I can put space in between them. All right, so we'll let it go. We'll let it go for now. Let me do this in here. I feel like I'm going to have to choose a different background or just have this background as a is this one section or it is multiple sections? Okay, there's this one and then there's one at the bottom. Okay. Header. So this is all one big section. Okay. We could put this background onto the page rather than the section, but I'm gonna leave that alone for now. So let's do what customers say. And um, so customers choose Biz Greenhouse because it's got spell check, because it's simple to set up, easy to use, and has excellent customer support. Okay, clearly. Include customer support, and I'm gonna do 3 columns down here because I've got 3 videos. Yeah, I do. I have 3 videos. So we're gonna do hosted videos. And the first, see if I can find it. Oh, double click. There's Miss Dottie. Ugh. We're going to copy, move that over, copy, move that over. Okay, so we've got Dottie. And then we have Nayara. And we have Devon. Let's see. So I do, I do want to put Devon in the middle. So let's, all right, come on, let me move it. Thank you. All right. So we get rid of this one. There's Devon, there's Nayara, there's Dottie. Now let's see if I can find Dottie's cover. I think it's in here. Okay, this is, nope. Can't remember what the name of it is. There it is. Testimonial. All right. This is for Devon. And that's Devon's cover. And we've got a cover for our they're more recent, so which is why they're up here. Okay, so what customers say? They need a background. Change the text color, obviously. And we're gonna make this one black and the background color. Mm. So we've got testimonials. Uh, and now do two columns that are a paragraph, and we've got a button. Style one of these buttons, right? And bright red. Text says trip or free. Thing. You gotta put a background behind everything because of the background. All right. Which is true. Best schedules your social media. So you don't have to. It's that evergreen content. Whew, just lovely. Save time planning. Publishing. One simple dashboard helps you work smarter. What's important? Um, clearly that needs to be bigger. That. How's that? Oh, wait, did it go? Left justified or flush against the. No, no, no. Padding instead. And 10, right? And the button, padding, it needs margin. Oh, 10 on top and 10 on the bottom. And what else? Okay, so let's see, as we go, sure. We'll do the SEO later. What else do I want to do? This text, save time, planning, publishing, the one simple dashboard. Um, we can focus on what's important. Helps you to repurpose your best content. Repurpose your best content. So so your yeah, I just want to put in something about that. Alrighty, so do we have an image? Do a stock image, somebody on the computer. Let's see what we got first. Um, actually, what about this? Oh, there's more. Sure. There's more. What else do we have? I want a picture of a person on a laptop. Okay, so that is all I have in my, let's see. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Blank screen. Not so sure about that. Hmm. Looks like a business person. I think I like this one. Yep. All right, I'm gonna go with this one. And it is square, which is great. So importing it, I import it to my library. It won't disappear. Oh, come on. take that off. Okay. There we go. Oh, save as you go. Okay, so now here are, let's do some benefits. And yeah, I'm gonna do oh, I forgot about this. Oh, but it's a whole section, which we don't really have. Um, we don't really have. Do I want to do that? Do I want to do another row? Let's do one column. Actually, I can do two columns. Well, I can always add a column. There we go. So, I think I want to have a bullet list. And let's put a background color on the whole row. So I don't have to do each and every, and the text font size is 20. So we're going to go with 20. Let's see. I did have kind of a list of benefits. So let's do this. You can post to all these wonderful places. Right. It's wonderful posts. You can do like repurpose as content with recurring posts and evergreen posts. Let's see what else we got. Can do a whole approval process for teams. All right. And then bring in what ManyChat does, the customizable Instagram and Facebook comment automation. You can capture leads right from your social media platform without having to email everybody. Okay, so let's go over to advanced and I want to do 1.5, give it some height. And what else do we want to change the icon? An Instagram icon in here. Oh, hashtag. There we go. There we go. What about icon color? Is that too much? Is that too much? Is that better? Let's put an image in. Um, let's do, oh, and I forgot, yeah. Let's put this in because it is part of the system. You can generate content. Let's do generate text and images using our built-in content AI or AI content generator. Content generator. Right. Helps you create engaging content in seconds. Right. So I wanted to put a picture over here. And so here we had there was some, yeah, probably one of these. Some probably is one of those. It's a little blurry though. Ready? Go with the phone. Oh, that reminds me. Um, let's see what this looks like. If I do make it a circular image, I don't know. Does that look any better? Yeah, it's not so square. This box is actually bigger than this one, so takes out some of the edge off of it. Let's see what else. You can create content on the go with our mobile app. Create and post. Is that okay? So let's do that. And anything else we want to do? What else is down here? Okay, there's a lot of space down here for some reason. Is that just me? It look like on here. Yeah, looks like the same thing here too. Sure why. Oh, there we go. 450. Did I do that? No idea. No idea. Let's set that to 55 so that it matches what's above. I just put it in white text or yeah. Let, so I can keep the background. All right, let's do that. And let's make the background transparent. There we go. Yeah, yeah. Um, Background transparent and the text color white here. All right, same thing. All right, this one will definitely need a background because the background is an image and it's hard to make the text readable on different color image. It's black over here, green over here, red in spots, white in spots. So for that one on here, we probably definitely need the background. This one maybe not. Let's try it. Let's put that there. And text color. This color. Icon color. Now that may look different. Mobile. Let's see. Not too bad. On mobile, we don't necessarily need the pictures. I'm just taking that off. Right. It doesn't look the same when it's not side by side. Uh, yeah, taking out the background color will affect the desktop as well. So leaving that in. Okay, so what else we got? What else we got? Um, okay, so down here, let's put in a whole new section and let's put in the order form. We're going to put a header. Did I put a header? Um, Now, there's background color on this, which is interesting. Let's do, because it's not the same background as that one. So let's grab it. Let's grab it. Um, yeah, I want it to be consistent. For now, let's put that as background color for that. And let's see. Um, Border for border and oh, this one has a 7-day trial too. Okay. Smart evergreen content automation. Hmm. I'll put it in give this section a name. This is the order form section because buttons are going to point to this. So this is going up and down. So yes, we definitely need background. And we need for the text color. Let it black. It's going up and down on the background. Definitely are gonna need. Hmm. Uh, let's do a row with elements and the element. Lovely. Navigation menu is new. Okay. We want a two-step order form or one step? Let's do two-step because after those leads. After those leads, right? Mm. Okay, so for this system, I'm gonna need company name. I need all that. So that title. This is contact information. And you want the info. And like for the shipping address, yes, we are showing shipping, but this is business address. All right. So collect all of that. Go to step 2. Don't think we need cart mode. We are going to add a bump. No coupon codes. Do you want sticky contact? No, because this is the first page, so nothing like that necessary. Step 2, let's see, this is calling this the order info. Let's do order now. Save your sanity. Probably gonna change that later. Anyhow. Okay, so I think it looks okay. Let's do, there is over here, this small, let's make it large. And what else do I want to do? I want to change the button title. There it is. Step 2 button text. Complete order. Hmm. Submit order. Let's say submit order. Yeah, could do that. Okay. Do I want to have order bumps? So right now it's the system that they're purchasing. And then I said I wanted to upsell. Let's upsell into the paid community. Right? Right. But I could do an order bump, and I'm trying to think. I had some things that I was thinking about giving away, which maybe I'll just give them away. No order bump for right now. Okay, so we'll go with this. I don't know. Is this a weird looking page? Probably. This is okay. My font is not Red Hat display, and there we go. The link color should probably be this color. Not that we have any links in here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, my fonts look better now. This font should be the content font and not the headline font. There we go. Yep. Let's put some padding in here. Let's go back. Okay. I'm looking at this text, and this is hard to read on here. So we're going to put that background in and give the text, make the text black that way. Let's see if I close this over here. The headline text looks okay. Same here. The same thing here. Yep. Let's do the same thing. Okay, close. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we'll do black background color. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. Now to make the button scroll down, I'm going to choose where it's going to scroll. I'm going to take it down to the link section. Hold on. Okay, back to it. My mother was making noise next to me. So I was trying to get a clean recording. Anywho, All right, so I noticed that I don't have a video on here, which I need to have because I need to demo the system. And I do have a video that I can use to demo. I should probably put some space. I should probably just put this in a different row. Alrighty then, let's grab this and bring it down. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. Where'd it go? No, it's not even in the row. Let's do that. Let's do it this way. Get rid of it and put it here. And I can select the width. I think I want it 3/4 width, half width. Okay, why isn't it moving? It says half. You know what I can do is make the row half width. How about that? I have the control. All right, I wanted to make sure I was getting this. Okay, so let's make it, how about we make it 75? About there. All right, let's make it 75. And it's a hosted video. And let's see if I can. No, it's not a demo. What is the name of it? There we go. Oh, no, that says an interview. Oh, it's not here. It is. Where is it? It is in a folder. There it is. This is my demo. And do I have a thumbnail to go along with this? Actually, don't believe I do, to be honest. Although I can use one. I can use this one. There we go. Um, and the system will put the play button over top of it. So let's see. I don't want it to autoplay. Yeah. Maybe I do full screen toggle. Okay. Let's do that. And let's copy a header. Let's bring it down here because I need to show people what this is. Demo video. What you get. What do you get when you get Biz Greenhouse? Let's do that. Let's do what you get when you get Biz Greenhouse. Okay. So there's that. We've got supported platforms, what customers say, the benefits, and I didn't put the price anywhere, not really. Not really. Let's do, how about we do a subheadline and say, you get all this for only $49 a month. And we should put try it free for 7 days button. I guess I'll take that out. All right, try it free for 7 days. All right. That goes down, skips down to the order form. That's what it should do. Okay, so there's that. Can't publish it. I don't have a domain. Okay. I think I'm finished with this page. and come back and add some other stuff later if I think it needs it. But for right now, all right. So the next page on here is a thank you page. And what does the thank you page look like? Which is fine. Thank you for signing up for um better social media for a better social media experience. Thank you for choosing. For your social media, um, your social media posting experience. Your social media management. There you go. Okay, back to this. Let's see. So, uh, what I do is tell people, I don't need all of this. We're reiterating. Um, check, check your email um, for your confirmation and next steps. If you don't see email in your inbox from me, anyway, or info at stonehenry.com, check our spam and promotions folder. So I always say that because we'll need to be reminded. All right, so once the funnel is done, this is the last page. So once the funnel is done, you can have a button going someplace else on the last page. So in this page, I'll say visit my website. Let's take them to the website. Let's go to here. Yep. And yeah, they don't need to open it in a new tab. They can open it right here. Okay. And I believe that is all I need for this. Let's do a lot of space down here on mobile. Let's see, 450. Wow. Let's do that again. Okay. Maybe I need to put in a background. Maybe this needs to be black and that needs to be that color. Right? Because we want to make sure that they see it. This is my first time using this template, so I like it. Very social media, but yeah, there are problems with the background. All right, saving as I go. Okay, so right now I want to put it in an upsell page, so I'm going to go back and clone this page. And this page says upsell, but it's not really the upsell page. It's really the sale page. It's the sales page. And we're going to call it social media page. I'm going to copy that because I am going to use the same URL for here. Let's do take that out because we're already using it. That is that. So now it won't say clone anymore. This one. Thank you. I know I have a lot of thank you pages. And yeah, that probably won't stay because I do have a lot of thank you pages. And all the thank you pages need to be unique. Oh, put a thank you page for this one. I just wanted to say thank you and then thank you page for the other URL is what I want to do down here, right? This one I want to say thank you page. Right. And let's clone. Here, this is the upsell page, right? So I'll put this in here. So dash social media. Yeah. Forgot about that. Let me copy that while it's saving. Upsell social media page. Right. Shouldn't say upsell. I shouldn't say upsell in the URL because that is visible to the public. The name isn't visible to the public, but the URL certainly is. Let's do full. There we go. That's basically what they're getting. They're getting the full package if they go with the upsell. And so, oh yeah. So yeah, I'll do full. And do I have did I do a VIP page? A VIP, not a VIP, but a VSL for this? I don't think I did. I don't think I did. Get rid of that. Let's see. Elevate or uh, wow. Goodness knows. And this button hmm, is one. Before your business. Do I want to put all of this? I don't know. Grow your business. Um, get tools, support, and resources you need to succeed. Rush your marketing goals. Hmm. Rush your marketing goals. So we already have an order. So I can say add order. All right, I want this button to be a one-step order form, one-click order form. Don't have a product yet, but once they click it, it'll add to their order and go to the next step. So this is $99 a month. It's $99 a month. Yeah, what's up? Ole. Um, add to my order. Right. And font size needs to be bigger. Needs to be bigger. All right. Okay. I'm going to keep the demo in here because the demo pretty much shows everything. Um, gonna bring this down here too. Let's go there. Put that there. Nope, we don't want it there. We want it here. Can we do that? No, right underneath. Okay. I'll put that there. We're gonna do, let's see, some features or okay, benefits should come before features. Um, when you get this greenhouse, let's do a demo. Can I do this? Here's my row. There we go. Don't want to duplicate this row. Let's duplicate the row. Um, taking this out, making that row one column. This row will be two columns. And the row underneath will have the button. Changing things up as I go. It looks like. So let's put another column in here. Instead of that, I want to put in the video. Come on. Come on. There we go. Right here. That's where I want it to go. Boy, that looks awfully small, doesn't it? All right, so if I were to switch this to YouTube, I can do full width. Does that change anything? No, it doesn't look like it changes anything. Hmm. Okay, maybe it was better. It was better on its own row with as wide as it is. All right, let's put down. Okay, there we go. And text goes up here. Hmm. I want to move that back up there. All right, so we've got a whole, is this a whole row that's like got nothing in it? Yep. All right, take that out. In-house platform. Do I want to put this back up there? Sure, let's do it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Now, moving is so hard sometimes. Come on. Let's do that. Now, can I move it? There we go. Get rid of this row. Right, let's do that. So with the add to my order, we don't need this whole section. Um, keeping the testimonials. This whole block will disappear. And we're gonna put in some, so I need to go get some text to put in here because I do kind of like that though. Let's do the demo. And then let's put in row. Yeah, it will have, let's put in a headline. All right, forget this row. Getting rid of it. Let's do this. Everything. This greenhouse has everything you need to succeed. We help you. Um, New marketing tools. So, um, ooh, okay. So for that, when it comes to like all the marketing tools and stuff, this would be a good place to put it, to put those. Um, but I want to add a bullet list of benefits. Benefits on one side, features on the other. How about that? Which necessitates another row because I need two columns. Right. Okay. One for benefits, one for features. Right. And I do realize that I'll put all my headlines in white or pale, lovely pale color. And underneath, we need a bullet list with pale background. See what I did over there, line height 5, and I'll deal with the icons later. Okay, let me go out and get my list of benefits, and I'll come back. My list of benefits, my list of features. I do have them. Some saved someplace. All right, pause. All right, I have found my list, which I would like to use over here. And um, and then I've got a list of features, which I will put over here. Okay. Let's move that up to the top. Right. And I do like the way, I like the arrow. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Clicking on it. Okay. I'll have that chat with myself later, I guess. Because I kind of don't want to lead with the software. I mean, I almost never do, but let's go with it for now. Maybe I'll put in some information about the what do you call it? The community later. Right, right. And is a mobile app. Right. Okay. So I did like that. All of this. There's the link for the tour. Ready to get on the path. Oh, you know what? When you do a one-click upsell, it's easier to have the multiple buttons. So I can do two buttons, which would be awesome. All right, what do I want to do over here? I want this icon to be right arrow. This arrow? Yep. Features, check, check, check. Um, so I'm gonna keep that. And so down here, let's talk about, let's see, when you, hmm. Capture, nurture, fully automated booking. Okay, so really the software is to help you to automate your client lifecycle. That's what it's really about. And it's a way to have this it's a way to have everything all in one place so that you're less stressed about pulling data from here and there and everywhere, right? Uh, let's see. So yeah, when you upgrade, you get automation made easy, elite. Uh-huh. Um, so let's talk about the community. Actually, that's what this was. Not right. Um, it's to create, yeah, it's not just the funnel. It's really everything. So what we do, let me go to the main website and grab text from there. Let's see. So if you're feeling any of these, let's do, um, oh, font size, um, let's grab a subheadline. Can I get away with that? Nope, I don't think so. And I want to have some room. Thank you. Let's see. Do any of these sound familiar? Inconsistent lead generation, difficulty keeping track of client information. So, uh, um, and, uh, automation made easy. Delete is for you. In this group or in this community, get uh, you'll get training, networking, you'll get training. You need to automate your client's life cycle. Um, also network, network, get support. Mm, sure. like minded. And you get where you're going faster and easier. Join now. Ebbing and flowing and give up the hustle. Give up the hustle and grind. Okay, so you need to automate your client life cycle from attraction to raving fans. Um, okay, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Let me that. Grab that. Grab that image. Hold on. This is Pixabay, which means I did not save it. I need to save this image because let me go ahead and download it now and then upload it again to, because what's gonna happen, I'm saving it to downloads for right now. Because what's gonna happen is they're gonna take it off the site and then it'll be broken on my funnel, which I hate. So, which is not the issue that I'm having right now. But okay, so there's this and there's this, and we're gonna pull in both. And okay, right. That needs to not be circle. Oh, we can do rounded corners. How about that? Rounded corners. I like it. Let's push it up to the top. And we should probably put a headline over top of it. Um, Accelerator framework. And this is the life cycle, right? This is what we're going to be working on in the community. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. The nine steps. Look at the training. You need to automate your client life cycle from attraction to raving fan. Um, uh, hmm, get on the path to um, predictable revenue by cultivating customer loyalty. Loyalty. By cultivating customer loyalty. And this is how you do it. Okay, now I guess this one needs to go to the top. Right, right. Um, but, the automated approach. Uh, let's do this. AME framework diagram for my alt tag. And that's not just for SEO. That is for um, ADA, actually, ADA compliance. People with screen readers can't see the image, so the alt tag tells them what the image is. You gotta say SEO for the marketing people, I guess. What's this look like? What's that? Got that. Okay, so I want to put some other icons in there. And okay, wait. There's some things that are not showing up. Okay, clearly this is not showing up in mobile. That shows up. Is that showing up? That shows up. Okay. Yeah, there's some things missing on the mobile side. Let's see. All right, I'll have to go through this. This is huge. Let's see, for mobile, let's do half. All right, that's better. Wow. Everything you need. Okay, we've got benefits, we've got features, what customers say. Yeah, I'll have to change that. Right, there is something else missing. My list of features. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. It's up there. All right. I'll have to go through the whole thing and make sure I'm getting everything. Uh, right. Traction rating fan. Traction rating fan. Right now. Hmm, give up the hustle and grind and start ebbing and flowing. Okay. So, um, hmm, Come on. Come on. Let's go. Move it down, move it down, move it, move it, move it. Thank you. Hmm. Um, okay, we'll get rid of this whole row. Should I get rid of this row? Yeah. Elite. So this comes with the software, or the software comes with the community. Either way. Okay. So for right now, uh, I like this. Either this one, I've got another quote in here. The other way around. That's a pretty good quote. Okay, so in its simplest form, this is it. There's some things that's I need to change, but like these icons and what else? I'm keeping the testimonials. Um, there's something I want to say here. Like it comes with it, right? Um, let's see. With automated elite community. Yeah. And I suppose if it's a no thanks, I need to put a no thanks message under here somewhere, right? Um, and if it's a no thanks, I need to send them to join the free group, right? And they'll just come in here, join the free group. There we go. Um, oops, done the wrong thing. Okay, I am putting in the background color. Let's see. No thanks. I would rather do my sales and marketing hard way. Eighteen, and we're linking to, no, I can do it in the current window. Okay. Hmm. Alrighty, so now I need to make my buttons work. Right, right. So let's go back, go to payments. Let's go to products, create a product. Um, Actually, I don't need to create a new product because I already have this greenhouse CRM in here. Just add another price. So, then again, never mind. Let's go back. Let's create a product again. Let's do this greenhouse. Social media, right? I don't even need that. Okay, go back. I don't need that at all. Let's just put in a price. It is $49. Oh, it's $49. Let's do recurring. Trial is for 7 days and it's free for 7 days. Okay, and that's it. And I'm done. Yep, yep. Okay, so we've got that. And then when we upgrade, I'll have to test to see how this works. When I upgrade to the 97, do I need to tack on the whole 97? Is it going to change it, or am I going to have two subscriptions? There's a good question. Let's see, because 99 minus 49, it's $50. It's $50 difference. So for an extra $50, you get the whole thing plus the community plus everything. So, well, we'll see. Um, and CRM, uh, automation. Let's go to sites. Okay, so the sites is social media copy. I don't even know why that says that. That sounds weird. Right, changing that. Let's make it test for right now. Because I'm going to try the payments situation. All right, so for the sales page, we are selling social media platform. Where we go. Price is that price. Actually, let's do that. Social media planner. And okay, so what it's going to say is free for 7 days. Let's see. Um, 7 day trial and $39 a month. I will save that. And then on the upsell page where we've got the CRM there. Start pay. Hmm. Okay, so the order is going to be added to the to the sales page automatically, or the product is going to be added to the sales page automatically. But for the one-click upsell button, I need to add the product. So we go back in. All right, so in here, add CRM. So if I had added this before, then once I copied the button, it would already have the order. Let's see. Let's do. Let me go back to this page. All right. Well, actually, let's do that first. And then I want to see, you need to still check the mobile version. Try it free for 7 days. It comes down here. Everything else looks okay. Oh, everything is play now. I've got three videos on this page, and they should not all start automatically. Let's do that, because that looks weird. Turning off the full screen toggle. This one should have a toggle to full screen. Okay, I did turn them all off. I did. So this is where incognito comes in. Make sure that this acts right. Actually, you're expecting it to act. Nope, they're all starting. Hmm. Turn off autoplay, turn off autoplay, turn off autoplay. Yeah, we don't need to toggle to full screen either. Yeah, sure, we can show pending time. We do that. Allow play pause, got it. Let's try that again. Got it, thank you. That's the way it's supposed to look. Okay. 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 Oh, that's the upsell page. Oh, yeah, maybe I was looking at the wrong page the whole time anyway. Right, how about that? Because these same videos are on all the pages. Isn't that right? I don't want to toggle full screen. Don't want to autoplay. Okay. Turn that off, turn that off. Let's see here. So, this is totally weird. Switch back to hosted. It'll probably be bigger. Anytime full screen toggle. Okay, this one I'm allowing full screen toggle because you can see more detail in the demo video. I feel like that is better for that. Let's do preview. Okay. Right. Two. Um, all right. On this home page, I wanted to make sure that I grabbed this not from Pixabay, but from my own library here. Um, okay. So I think it looks okay. Make sure all the buttons go to where they're supposed to go. Yep, yep, yep. This one doesn't. Opens up the pop-up, which we don't want. Scrolling down to the order section. Okay. Yep, there we go. Alrighty. So let's do I think you have to open it up, otherwise. Um, so got the social media planner in there. And right now, $0, 7-day trial, then $49 a month. Right, right. All my text in there. 7-day trial, then after $49 after the trial period. Put my test card in. Um, as I fill this whole thing out. All right, take me over there. What is the last pass? Alrighty, so, yep, okay. Let's add to the order. And uh-oh, it says payment method is missing. Really? It shouldn't be missing. It's from the previous page. The ID is missing. Okay, so that's something I have to fix or figure out, because this is a one-step or one-click upsell, which is what I want. I don't want to have to put in all the information again, because it's the same. It's the same. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, I'll have to figure that one out. I'll have to figure that one out. It should be working. Um, let's see. Okay. All right. Well, the funnel pages are done. Um, I have to put in, I already have some workflows in here for this greenhouse. So when they order it, they've got an order confirmation. Um, so the payments received, and it's just everything Biz Greenhouse. So I'll have to do another one for the social for the social media piece. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll just clone this one. That's what I'll do. Let's clone it. Because yeah, got it. Um, let's put this one in. This one is the social media. Um, the rest of these. This is if you go through the payments. That out. And okay. And they're not going to be in all these other workflows right now. Disqualified. This is a whole separate thing. No, actually, let's keep that because I might decide to put an abandoned cart, right? So they're Biz Greenhouse, which means they're going to get added to a different workflow. It's going to show. Um, I'll need to put a different thingy in here. So I've got a confirmation or notification to set them up, and then there's email. Congratulations. Da, da, da. And then um, so yeah, this is all help telling them where to go to. So instead of the launch in 7 days course, they need to go to the tutorials for social media planner. And then so I'll send them there. They're in this thing, and yeah, help them get started. And what else? And then if they need help, there's another email, get them started, and then they're going to a nurture sequence where it's giving them, it's just gonna nurture them over time. Um, yeah, I'll turn that on. Once I turn it on, I'll get that email. Of course, Jane Doe's not gonna get that email. That's a fake email address. At any rate, this is pretty much done. Thank you for watching. Let's stop sharing. Hope that was interesting for you. Watching me create a 3-page funnel and a sales page, upsell, and let me go back in. Okay, we're not done yet. Let me go back in. Since my one click upsell is not working right, let me go back in. Let's finish the job. Okay. Let me go back in and let's do, so instead of the one-click upsell, let's just put in, it's not getting the payment information from the previous page for some reason. So then the thing to do is to, I guess like right here, I can put in an order form instead of a button. Let's do a one-step order. And yes, I do have all this information already, but we're going to make this a sticky contact. It says shipping, not shipping anything. Upgrade, yep. Upgrade and save. We'll keep it for now. And then the address isn't shipping. It is. Email address. Okay, there we go. We don't need cart mode. Don't need coupons. Yes, this is what we want. Sticky contact. All right, let's see if that helps us out at all. As with the sticky contact, it will. All right, let's get the buttons to send us to the order form. Right. One-step order. Okay. It's already kind of labeled, so we'll just go with it. Go to. Let's have it scroll down. There we go. It's that one and that one. This one scroll down all the way to the bottom. Okay. That's it. Let's do that. Now, I don't know if I have to put my information in again for it to see it in here, but let's do that. Okay, so yeah, it's got everything. Company name, all that. But the only problem is you have to put the card number information in again. So I'm going to get that one-click upsell working. Or maybe it doesn't work well with subscriptions. Maybe that's what the issue is. In which case, then yeah, we'll have to either put the information in again or create this as a bump on the other order form. So like say, if you want the full experience, like put all the information in here and make it a bump on the other order form. All right, and so if they say no thanks, that should take them to the free group. Okay, so that part works. um, but if they check out, so if I come down here, at least I don't have to put all the rest of this information in. But you do have to put the card number in. And do that part. That, hopefully, should take me to the next page. There is my thank you page. Okay. Signing up. Visit the website. All the confirmation and everything is in your email. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And give me 1 second. Let me pause and go to, since this is my live account, other people's information. So, okay. All right. So somehow my Jane Doe got mixed up with me somehow. So, I believe that is why my one-click upsell didn't work, because all of these say the last activity is a week ago. That's the last activity when it should be like right now. So somehow, well, I want to come back and do some modifications to the funnel that I was working on before, and hopefully, well, and just get it fixed the way I wanted it to. Anyway, let me share my screen and go back to it. This is my social media planner funnel, right? Yeah. Because so let's see, the idea that I had was to put an add-on into the sales page, because the way that I was doing it before was not working right. So if I do try it for free for 7 days, that is going to send it down to the order form. Let's see. And in my order form, I put a bump. So I went ahead and I put a bump. So all the stuff that I had on my sales page is now in the bump. Well, not all of it. It's just you can't put like a whole bunch of stuff in here, but putting in the and then I set it up as an add-on so that it's not going to charge person two separate. It's not going to charge them um two separate monthly fees. Well, I mean, right now, actually, it will be two separate, but it won't be like two full payments for the one software, because right, you can't do like the add-on, or you can't add. It won't add the one subscription directly onto the other. It creates two different subscriptions. Anywho, so let me let's take a look. Oh, let's see. If I go down here, it keeps my information. Did I put on step 2? All right, because this is the first page, right? So if I go to step 2, I have it saving my information. So now the order form looks like this. And then so I put in a 7-day trial for both, for the social media planner and for the add-on. And so the person enters their card, but they don't pay anything right now, because it's a 7-day trial for both of these things. And this item is an add-on at the moment, right? So the full platform plus the community. And then of course I put in the terms of service or terms and conditions. So they have to agree to that, otherwise the order doesn't go through. And then, so what I want to do on the other page is to have an upsell for a done for you service. So I have to figure out what I'm going to say on that page to for this lovely done for you service. So the done for you is going to be, you buy the whole thing for a year starting now. So basically skip the trial, start now, and I'll customize the DM responses, like Instagram and Facebook DM responses for them. So Looks pretty much the same, just the order form is a bit different. So, on the other page, so if they decide to get, start now, get the annual plan, they pay, $4.97 up front, they get a done for you service. That means that the subscriptions on this page will need to be canceled and in favor of a new subscription. So for right now, that may have to be something that I do manually because, um, there's no way like in the order form to cancel to cancel a subscription. And then let's see, here's my payments. If I go over here, products, and for this one, hold up, that's the CRM, right? If I want to do this one, let's go to pricing. And so instead of that one is $49 a month, this one is social media annual plan. And so it'll be recurring, but not monthly, it's annual, yearly. I won't do a trial period. Make it $4.97 a year. And that's it. No setup fee, no trial period, all of that. So this is what will go on the upsell page. I think what will have to happen is that when if somebody decides to get this one, then the other one is on a 7-day trial. But if somebody decides to get this, I'll just go in and delete the other subscription because we don't want to charge them $49 a month plus the $4.97 a year, do we? No, we do not. No, we do not. So let me save that. I think I'll have to do that either manually or figure out some sort of automation to do it because I can't think of another another way to really do that right now. All right. For somehow, I don't know how I do this, but every so often I squish my menu and I don't mean to, but maybe I just hit this little icon accidentally sometimes. I guess that is it. I'm going to assume that that's it. Okay. So we go into the um the social media planner. Let's go to the upsell page. Let's add the product. So the product on this page, I guess maybe I can, nope, let's delete this one because we're not using it anymore. So put delete there, add, I'll add this annual plan. Oh, that's not the annual plan, is it? Nope, there it is. And price display, override is $4.97. $4.97. What happened to my four? $4.97 per year. Per year. Yeah, that's it. And the product. Um, hmm, Greenhouse social media planner. All right. So this is these are what shows up in the order form. And for the bump offer, you'd have to open up the additional options and mark it as a bump product. So that's what I did on the other page. But for this one, this is a main product for my upsell page. And no, this is not a bump product. What in the world? Right. because I opened that up, it's gonna make me put in an authorization. I thought this was only for the bump product. At any rate, let's do a save. Okay. So it's $4.97 for that. So then when I go in and edit, that means what I would like to do, goodness gracious, what I would like to do is to do a one-click upsell. Let me try it. All right, so I've got this button here. Duplicating it, I am making the next one. I'm making it instead of scrolling, I'm gonna try the one-click upsell again. Right. And only $4.97 per year. So before I change any of the text, let's test out. I want to test out this one-click order. I think I already have. Well, actually, I think I would need to, before I do that, I think I would need to go in here and put in the order first before I try to do the one click, because it needs this information. Okay, let me do submit order. Okay, so this one goes down to this order form down here, which, I'd have to put my card number in again, but I don't want to do that. I want to just add it. Let's see if it'll do it. It looks like it did it. Okay. All right, let's go have a look. Look at that, it's there. So then what I'd have to do is I'd have to go over to subscriptions and get rid of the ones that are on trial. So let me cancel this one and cancel this one and cancel this one, because the only one that matters at this point, now that I have did my upsell, this is the only one that matters. Right? Subscription starts today, and it's set up for the year. Starts today on the 19th of February 2025, and the next payment is February 19, 2026. Yeah. Awesome. So that works. Okay, so then now I just need to go in and and pay attention, figure out how to cancel the orders from the automation, and also to notify myself. So I'll have to notify myself. Well, I guess just to check them, but I'll have to see if I can cancel them from the from the automation. So other than that, it's just updating this page. You know what? We did a bunch of page updates yesterday. So and which means I can get rid of this buttons. Okay. So yeah. So let's go to the automation. Okay. Because that right, oop, I'm not recording that. I can't remember. What did you last see? What did you last see? Did I show you that okay. So yeah, I decided to, because apparently I wasn't recording that, but I checked the subscription. I figured that the most important thing to do right now, rather than editing this page, so I got rid of that button. So I'm going to end up duplicating this button, updating this page based on my the done for you. I'm going to do a done for you um DM messaging automation. So that is what needs to go on this page, and all of that needs to be added. Let's get rid of the order form because I don't need it anymore. And hmm, and yeah, so this page is going to have a lot less in it. Maybe do a demo. Yeah, maybe I'll do a demo video of the actual DM. Okay. So now headed over to the automation because I believe the automation is the most important part right now. So when somebody orders this, I need to put in some information. So right now, I'm gonna kind of call it part of the toolkit, right? So I have the social media order. Not gonna be in an abandoned cart. So I have that one. And then so I'm gonna need an annual. I need an annual one, right? Yes, I do. For the annual. Because that is a bit different. Let's duplicate, and this is for social media order annual. Yeah, these names are getting kind of long, aren't they? In order annual confirmation. Let's do that. Okay. So, and for both, and I'll have to look at the other one, make sure I have everything. Um, okay, so for both, yeah, let's remove for abandoned cart. Let's add the tag. Also adding them to is it group or is it, no, it's not, it's membership. Course, there we go. Let's grant the offer because they need the social media tutorials. They know how to navigate their way through the system. And, won the opportunity, which I'll change that. And, right. This is for the annual. So in other words, this is kind of it's a global product. Let's grab this particular price is for the annual plan. Right. Annual plan. Okay. Yeah, because this is only really for the annual plan. Let's add that as a filter. Is annual plan. Okay. So only people who got the annual plan. So they'll get that other order confirmation. So this one is really, let me see if I can get rid of, nope, there's nothing in here that says I can, okay, wait. No orders in here. I can do a charge. What else can I do? Doesn't look like I can get rid of that subscription from in here. Update. Not that I can see. Opportunities, payments, documents and contracts. Yeah, it doesn't look like I can. Okay. So I'll have to do it manually. So in other words, that's what my internal notification is going to do. Right? New. New social media. Annual. And trust the way. Remove other subscriptions. So that's really a note to myself. So this is the person. Remove other subscriptions and set up appointment to gather requirements. Actually, I'll just do the remove other subscriptions and I will have the AI contact them to set up an appointment. So I'll remove the other subscriptions. That's what I'll do manually. All right. And then let's set up, yeah, let's set up the AI appointment bot to schedule. Let's do a client meeting. So here is where we put in our prompts for the bot. Build trust. Get them to book an appointment. Can't help with cancellations, but they'll get the cancellations in there. Let's see. Start the conversation by nudging towards booking appointment. The rest of this seems okay. Start the conversation by nudging. Well, yeah, I guess so. Booking an appointment. Let's see. For the purpose of gathering requirements for the DM bots to interact with. Okay, so, and this is through SMS, so we're going to have it message them. And okay. If the appointment is booked, all of this is going into that other, they're going to be in that other one anyway. All of this is, so I don't need the rest of this. Let's delete all the actions. Yep. And this will, let's move it here. So if the appointment is booked, let's send them, they'll automatically get, based on the other workflow, where it's going to send them a reminder. So Yeah, do I even need to say anything else? I don't even think I need to say anything else, honestly. Because they're going to get this in the other workflow. Congratulations on their purpose. They're going to get this one that says, hey, let's schedule an appointment to get your requirements, and they'll be on the calendar. So they're going to get the confirmation and reminders from a different workflow to remind them about the meeting. Anything else I need to do here? I don't think I need to do anything else. So I'm going to delete this. The only thing I really need is if it times out or if the appointment is not booked, I need to try again. So that's really what I need to do is to try again. So I'm going to copy this and put that here. If it times out, we'll try again. Oh, fine. Let's get rid of this. Delete. Alrighty, so we're trying again. We're gonna go over here. So have them both do the same thing. And if it times out or if it's not booked, then maybe I need to have it send me a notification that says this person didn't schedule a call, so contact them. Yep. No, you can turn it off. Let's see. Customer didn't book client call annual social media plan. Okay. And then I'll just keep their information in here so that I can contact them. I will contact them myself. There we go. What does it say? Do I want to send it? I guess I do. All right. Email is cheaper than DMs, even though I can do a DM as well. So let me do a copy. I don't need to do a copy, do I? Nope. One was not booked. Let's do another. Same thing is here. Okay. So it'll send me a notification to try and contact them and get them on the books for the appointment. Maybe they don't like talking to the AI. Maybe they need human interaction. Okay, so that one is set up. So then the only other thing I need to do now really is to make sure that that my page is set up properly. And I am going to let me go to I'm going to spend some time on the text for this page, but let me show you launching it. What I need to do to launch it really is to connect it to a domain name, and I'm going to connect it to this one right here. I'm going to connect it to that one, turn this back on so that it's live. I can take live payments. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay, never mind. I thought I saw something. It said require a credit card on $0 payments. Well, my order form is going to require a credit card anyway. All right, so now um, social media. I'll just call it social. Yeah. Okay. So now I can launch it because I have a domain attached. And oh, and of course in settings, it's good to put in a favicon, and let me go get my favicon. There's my favicon. So let me grab the link and put that in there. And what else? And then I can always put I do have code for for my what do you call it? My Facebook tracker, my Facebook pixel. And I believe that that is in here. Let's have a look. Yep, here it is. So I'll copy it out of there. Go back to this funnel. Put it in here. It's tracking both. All right. So now Facebook knows who is purchasing. And so when I run ads, they'll send the ads to the people who are most like the people who are purchasing, so that I spend less on acquiring a customer. Right? Right. Right. So that is so that's it for right now. Um I will maybe do a follow-up on this. I got to take some time to come up with some text for my actually maybe I can do that over here. Let me see. So I need to put in what is going to happen. Let's do a new engagement gold nuggets video CTA video. Oops. All right. So my chat GPT kind of knows me fairly well. Let's see. Um, all right. Marketer and and sales copywriter generate for uh, for a community called automation made easy elite or made easy elite for an offer that includes a paid community and full and the full let's see here, um package that include bi-weekly trainings on exactly how to implement the steps of the coaching business. Along with what? Mm, mm. So it'll be a place to network and motivation. All right, what else? Mm, let's see what it comes up with. Mhm. Without burnout, right? Without burnout, right? See, it knows me, it knows me. What if you could attract, convert, and retain more clients without chasing leads, losing prospects in the follow-up, or drowning in admin work? Introducing Automation Made Easy Elite, high-level community designed exclusively for coaches who want to streamline their businesses. Oh, right. Never mind. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Okay. Um, that was the wrong sales copy. For the annual plan comes with a done for you. Were they done for you? Oh, I could certainly do that. Okay. Uh, done for you Instagram and Facebook DM bot so that they can respond to to this one. Right from social media. Hmm. CRM. Without lifting a finger. It always says that. Okay. Want to go annual, save more, implement faster, automate smarter. This is for you. If, if the annual plan, you're done for you. DM bot today. Okay. Instantly to comments and DMs. All right. We go annual. All right. Okay. So I have some copies. So I'm going to put this copy into that page and then set up my ads, and then I am finished with this funnel. So I'm going to do that offline, so I can like rearrange it. But you see the process. Thank you for watching, and for if you would like help